Nature and movement categories. Mishra or Saturn, mixed. This category of nakshatras signifies a dual nature and movement, neither fully stable nor movable, balancing flexibility and stability, suitable for general and ordinary activities that require adaptability and consistency, but with caution. Nakshatras included Kritika, Vishaka. Ideal for undertaking balanced activities requiring both strength and flexibility, such as starting creative or technical projects, pursuing studies or research, beginning partnerships, initiating treatments or therapies, and launching ventures where both persistence and adaptability are needed. These nakshatras indicate generally routine activities, neither highly favorable nor unfavorable. Love what you see? Follow, like, comment, and share. It fuels the next drop.